Hello, this is Flowey from the studio. Yep.
So, did you hear about the new Kevin Hart act?
I'm totally listening right now.
Yeah, he made a really funny joke.
It was so funny. Ha ha ha.
You have no idea what you're talking about, do you?
Nope, not at all. Thanks.
Everybody, there's an emergency. There's a beehive in the studio. Oh my god, there's a beehive in here.
Is that really a beehive?
Where's Catherine? That's her job. She's supposed to pick it up.
Well, I guess I'll just do it since nobody else will take care of it. I wasn't ready!
Wait, guys, I have an idea.
The reason I want out there is because first off, I'm allergic to bees. And second, I don't care. So I'm gonna hide in the bathroom for the rest of the day.
So as you know, bears and bees are naturally enemies. So in order to track a bear, you need honey.
Yes, go inside. On this way. So what's the honey for?
We're gonna put the honey on his shoe to attract the bear.
The bear? No! 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 No!
Darn it. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this one myself, I guess.
Oh God!
Like, oh my god, there was a beehive in the studio. Like, what are we supposed to do?
Okay,
Oh my
guys,
God, oh my God,
shut
oh
up.
my God.
Everybody shut
I'm
up.
so nervous.
Everybody shut up. Well, Catherine's supposed to be taking care of that, but I don't know if she took a free vacation without me knowing.
Tom, say yeah.
What?
She's allergic
Like, she's allergic to bees, so I don't know what she's supposed Guys, to do. by the way, I dealt with it.
Well, somebody knows how to do something here.
Are you calling us dumb?
3, 2, 1, action.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Emily, and this is the
M&M
M&M
Show.
Show. Today we have a great show for you. Please stay tuned. Hello? Anybody here? Oh no!